So what does it mean if an amplifier says that it has high current? And what is the benefit to you, the listener? We will try to explain what high current means by using a simple analogy, and then try to show you how this applies to the quality of sound that your receiver produces. But the best way to understand what high current does is to go and listen to music on a Harman Kardon receiver. If you take a AA battery, you will see that it is listed as being able to produce 1.5 volts. That means if you have 8 AA batteries, you will have 12 volts. The voltage of a car battery is also 12 volts. So does that mean that 8 AA batteries will start your car? Obviously not. The missing ingredient is current. In order to start a car, you need to have around 600 amps of current. A AA battery only produces 0.3 amps of current. So you would need about 24,000 AA batteries to start your car. Now, how does this apply to music and amplifiers? The wattage rating on an amplifier does not tell you how much current it produces. The most important specification for an amplifier should be the current it produces and not the wattage it provides, because current is what starts and stops the loudspeaker, and how well you start and stop the loudspeaker helps to determine the sound quality of what you hear. When music is made, it produces a sound wave. In this example, you see a typical sound wave. Music has dynamics, meaning that some parts will be louder than other parts, and some parts will be softer. If your amplifier does not have the ability to produce high current, then it will not accurately reproduce this sound wave. An underpowered amplifier will simply cut off part of the sound wave, which will produce distortion. This distortion will alter the music that you hear and can also damage your speakers. Harman Kardon introduced the world's first high-fidelity receiver in 1954 and the first high-current amplifier in 1980. Harman Kardon uses an overbuilt power supply and extra-large capacitors to ensure you have all the current necessary for a great sound experience. So before you buy any receiver, take the time to listen to a Harman Kardon high-current receiver and hear the difference.